This is not a breaking news. According to CNN, Bitcoin is the investment of the decade. And what that means is Bitcoin is the asset class with the highest return on investment in the past 10 years. It beats stocks and other asset class. My name is Chris Annie, and today I want to share with you something very important that will change your life using Bitcoin as a tool for financial freedom. A lot of people keep asking questions like, what is Bitcoin? What is cryptocurrency? How can I make money from this thing? How can I use this thing to better my life? How can I use this to save myself from economic recession? I've been able to compile what we call a crypto money bundle. And in this crypto money bundle, this is what you will learn. You will learn what is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. You will learn how to identify crypto Ponzi schemes. A lot of people have lost money in Ponzi schemes, and that's why they think crypto is Ponzi. So you're going to learn how to identify and avoid the Ponzi scheme. You're also going to learn 7 ways to earn Bitcoin while you're sitting at home with your phone, with your laptop. I'm going to teach you 7 ways you're going to earn Bitcoin. How to convert your Naira into international currencies using cryptos. I'm going to teach you about stablecoin, how to use stablecoin, how to hedge against inflation, okay, and your currency devaluation. I'm also going to show you in this crypto money bundle how to buy, sell, invest, and trade with Bitcoin without losing your money. You're going to vow that you're going to use my formula strictly. There's a Bitcoin profit formula I use not to lose money from the market. Okay, I'm going to teach you how you can use that and save your capital from the market. I'm also going to show you 5 ways people lose money in crypto and how to avoid it. See, the biggest investment is knowledge, and it's the same thing in the crypto ecosystem. Do you want to make money in this ecosystem? Invest in knowledge. Get the knowledge. Know how do people lose money? What are the things, what are the precautions I need to put in place so that I don't lose money? So I don't get hacked. So I don't lose my coin. So I don't lose my money. In this crypto money bundle, you're going to learn it. Recently, I finished a masterclass organized by Binance, one of the world leading exchange. And in that class, I was able to share 30 things you must know before you start trading cryptocurrencies. And it's one of those things I'm going to be sharing in this crypto money bundle. And this crypto money bundle comes with several bonuses. It's coming in video form and also in ebook form. And of course, my best-selling book, Crypto 101, you're going to gain access and get this book when you get this crypto money bundle. All you just need to do, the price is showing on the screen. The number to call or to send the message to is also showing on the screen to order. You can also click the link below to order for this bundle. It comes in several videos, about 7 videos, several ebooks that will take you as a novice. You don't need to have any prior knowledge about Bitcoin. With this, you will be able to know what is Bitcoin, what you need to know about crypto trading before you get started, what you need to know about investing, the wallet I should use, when to buy. People keep asking questions. When do I buy Bitcoin? When do I sell Bitcoin? And that's the essence of this crypto money bundle. Take advantage of this 50% discount going on and click the link below on my website or on the affiliate link being sent to you and get this right away. In short, when you make your payment, you get access instantly. I don't want to see you complaining that you lost money in Bitcoin. I don't want to see you complaining again that you don't know how to make money in crypto. The solution is here. It's called Crypto Money Bundle, an all-in-one starter pack to help you start, learn, and profit from Bitcoin and the crypto industry. Signing out right here, Chris Annie.